man. 628's coming up. We got about 5 boxes left. Yo, bro.
Alright. It just started pouring rain just now, as soon as I put that on. So I was sitting there trying to listen to see what the heck it was. It's pouring rain. And there's still like tons of stuff in my car. I brought some of the stuff in, but I mean, there's stuff here, there's stuff there, there's stuff there. I think I'm just going to do this stuff here and this stuff here. I showed you this already. Okay, so this stuff here. Oh, this is going to be a short video, I promise. Not that it matters. No one ever complains. I guess 15 is good. It's funny, I was walking through the toy aisle and I was thinking about my buddy Mark. I saw these things are like $15 and they were marked down to like, I don't know, 8, 9, 10. I don't remember. And I figured he'd probably buy these for whatever, 9 or 10 bucks and then sell them for 20, and he makes it. Like, these are so cool looking that I know people would buy them for $20. Unless you're a card expert and you think they suck. I don't know. And they have like Captain America, and they have I forgot, maybe Thor, I don't remember, but the only ones that were cool looking were the Darth Vader that I just showed you and the Iron Man. So I got 2 of them. I just hold them. I'll take one, you take one. Unless he wants to buy them off me for like 12 each, just to have both of them. Then he can set his price at 25 if he wants. Mm-hmm. No. Supposed to put that in the fridge. Totally forgot.
Russell Wilson, Michael Pittman, Jerry Rice, Duvernay.
I told all my buddies they've got 4 boxes. They have 4 cello boxes. 4. They had 3 in one store and they had 4 in another. So I just kept banging those stores. No one listens. None of my buddies went and got them. And now the store that had 4 is down to 1. And the store with 3 is sort of a little far away, so I didn't go back. I got them once, twice, and a third time the next morning. But I forget where I got this. Oh, this was Pittston. Oh my God, the Pittston from Friday. Oh my God, when I show you this stuff, oh my God. Oh, this is the nothing stuff. They were just trying to get rid of stuff, and they're like, here. Oh, you like the green dog? Here, what about this one? Here, what about this one? I'm like, you're gonna just keep giving me stuff? And they said, yeah. They just wanted to get rid of it. So I was like, I was gonna leave it there for kids, but you wanted to keep pushing it on me. So I grabbed it. I spent over $700. Let me repeat that. Over $700. I spent so much on these cards. They had Select, and they had Prism, and they had, I always say they had everything but Optic. That's about the only thing that hasn't come out in a while, so. Oh, yeah. This is from the other store. What store was it? I want to say Hazelton, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this is Tunkhannock. This is the one that I knew. 727. That was this morning at... Oh, that's right. I forgot that I went this morning. I thought that was food. I got Select somewhere. I think it was Tunkhannock 2 days ago. I can't remember. love this stuff. You get 8 packs, 8 cards. It's great stuff. Plus, you get an autograph, guaranteed autograph, every box. Diamond parallels. Highlights. Find 8 of the hottest 2021 rookies per box on average. Look for memorabilia cards featuring some of the biggest stars in the NFL. Guaranteed 1 autograph. You know, I don't see that on here. And the person who told me that was Jab's family. I was watching one of his videos, and looks like he lied. Or he didn't know. He doesn't have any clue about football, basketball, or hockey. He messes a lot of stuff up from baseball, too, but at least he's knowledgeable. I learned some stuff off of him. Not baseball-wise, but card-wise, like when stuff's dropping, when stuff's selling. Alright. This must be, oh, I know exactly what this is. A place where they let you take 2 of whatever, 2 of everything. So the first thing I said is, believe it or not, that stupid thing is still stuck in my throat from last video, from like 6 hours ago. It's so funny though, because I said, can you tell me what that is? I said, is that a Charizard? And she goes, yeah, that's a Charizard. I said, okay, good. I said, I'll take it. And then right behind it was another one. I'm like, good, I'll take that one too. Because I was going to buy that previous time I came and I let it go. And then I told her to grab a box that was behind this. And she just grabbed it anyways. And like, I don't know what her problem was, but because I said the box is damaged, and she still wouldn't replace it. I was like, you know what? I don't care. I'll just open it up. What an idiot. I couldn't believe that. Jackass. They are really dumb at this particular Walmart. I don't want to say where, but it's in Pennsylvania. No, it's not the Big H. It's closer to my hometown. Like I said, that's why I don't want to say it, because sometimes they're good there, sometimes they're not. You just hope that you get someone good. How about that, though? Like, this is one of the best stops I got. I know people don't care about the Top Series 2. Oh, they flooded the market. There's too much. I don't care. It's good. I'll take it every day. But getting the 2 Charizard theme decks, and it was only like $11.98, which everywhere else I get a Charizard theme deck, I think it was like $17.58 at CVS. It was like either $12.99 or $13.99 at Target. So Walmart, dirt cheap. Let's see how much. I'm almost positive it was $11.98. Yep. All the rest of these 3 bags, I already showed you all that, showed you all this. I need to go to bed. This is still killing me. I really need sleep because of this. It just hurts so bad. And I had to cut my trip short, and probably Prism and select mega boxes were at places that I usually go today. So, and like I said, I was hurt. I'm still hurting. I'm gonna go get an ice pack, lay down over there, watch a little TV, get some, hopefully 5, 6, 7 hours of sleep. All right, you guys have a good day. You guys, look at this. What? You guys have a good day. I don't know. I'm so irritable because of this, and then goofy stuff like that happens. I get pissed. Thanks.